Hi, this is Lee Garrett and welcome to another weekly tip video. On to reminders today, and it's an application that has been getting a lot of love from Apple recently. And today I just wanted to quickly show you an improvement that came that if you do use reminders is going to help a lot of you if you prefer to use boards for managing tasks rather than lists. Reminders does now let you convert lists into Kanban style boards, which from a project management perspective can be really useful. I'm also going to show you how to create templates today so that when you need to create boards or lists for similar projects, it's really quick and easy to do. So let's get to it. Now you can use the column view on all platforms, but I'm going to demo on iPadOS today because I think it really suits this form factor. Now, first of all, I'm going to create a new list. I'll tap Add List. Then I'll need to choose an account to create it in. So this will be an iCloud list. I'll give it a name. Now this is going to be a list that I'm going to use for my video recording process here. If I tap here, then I can change the list type because lists can be smart lists as well as having dedicated shopping ones. But for this, we need to keep it as a standard one. And I think I'll just change the color here. And I think I'll give it a nice icon. So a star is good. Then I'll tap done and the list is created. Now with our list here, we need to create some sections. And splitting your reminders into sections does help give you organization. However, it's imperative to have them for our board because these are going to represent the different columns. So I'll tap, come down to new section. And the first thing I do with a new video is, of course, research. I'll come back up again. And new section has gone. It's been replaced by manage sections. So I need to come here and then choose new section from this pop-out. And after researching, I outline. I'm just going to pause and add some more in here.
That's just a quick preview of one of this week's Apple-related tutorials from Screencasts Online. Screencasts Online is your premium source of Apple-related video tutorials.